again welcomes you all to today's online lesson represented by Bruhan Mumbai Municipal Corporation Education Department. So today's our topic is fraction. Now I will introduce myself. Myself Avinash Gavanji Bhoye from Mumbai Public School, Dharavi Kala Killa. And I am thankful to Mistress Snehalata Dumre ma'am and Mr. Sarath Kurade sir, then Mary Pushpam Paul ma'am for giving me this chance to taking online lesson. Okay, now see, this is our today's topic. Names fractions. So students, can you tell me about fraction? Have you heard the name fraction? Yes, student. What do you mean by fraction? Suppose this is a piece of a paper, okay,
Yes.
a square paper. Then I will cut it into four pieces. So now, if I want to write this portion in the number form, so how can I will write it? So tell me. See here, the total number of parts are four, and colored part is one. So I will write it 1 upon 4. So this number is not complete number or a whole number. So it will called as fraction. See here. Now in this way, can we write the fraction of the shape that is filled in
Sir, 1/1.
1 upon 1? See here, we have to write the total number of parts. So in this picture, the total number of parts are
2.
2. So denominator means the what will we write here? This is 2. 1 upon 2. Now,
2.
yes, good. Now tell me about this. The
1
total number
upon
of parts? Yes.
1
1
upon 6.
upon 6 because colored part is 1.
6. 1.
1 upon 6. Good. Now, the third one, total
1.
number of parts is
1 upon 6. 6,
1
7,
upon
5.
6. 1 upon 6 or 1 upon 8. See, the total number of parts is 8. So we will write 1 upon
8.
8. This one is 1 upon 8. Very good. Now, the fourth picture,
1 upon 3.
1
1
upon
upon
3.
2.
1 upon 3 is the right one. Okay, now see, tell me about this. What is the
4
fraction?
upon 1 upon 3.
1 upon 3 or 1 upon 4. See here, the total number of parts are 4. And the colored one is 1 only. So this one is 1 upon 4. Okay, now tell me about this.
2 upon 3.
2 upon 3. Very good. This is 2 upon 3. The fourth one,
3 upon 1.
3 upon 1 or 3 upon 4.
3 upon 4.
3 upon 4. Very good. And the last one,
6. 3 upon 6.
3 upon 6. Very good. See the definition of fraction. Can anyone read this?
Sir, can I read?
Yes.
A fraction is of a whole number.
Very good. A fraction is a part of whole number. Means, see, if we give a total number, then the fraction is a part of whole number. Can you think of example? Can you tell me the examples of fraction? Yes.
The following numbers are fractions. 1
Okay, now
upon 2, 3 upon 7,
6
6 upon
upon
10,
10.
4
Yes.
upon 99.
Very good. These are the examples of fractions. Here, the definition of fraction. Okay. Can you read it?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
A fraction is a way of
Representing
representing
division of a
division of a whole into part. It has the form. It has The for.
It
From.
has the form numerator upon denominator. Okay. This one is the definition of fraction. A fraction is a way of representing division of a whole into parts. It has the form numerator divided by denominator. See, the example is given 5 upon 8. So here fraction means it is the way of representing division of a whole into parts. Means this is a division only. 5 upon 8 means it is 5 divided by 8. Means the total parts are 8 and colored parts are 5. So which part is known as numerator? See here, the number is given. See,
Color part is numerator.
okay, the upper part or colored part is numerator and the total number of parts are called as
Numerator.
denominator. Okay, so here 5 is numerator and 8 is denominator. Very good. Okay, see here, we will see the numerators and denominators in briefly. Numerator is the number of parts chosen and the denominator is the total number of parts. Chosen means if we have colored it, then that parts are numerator and denominator is the total number of parts. Another way which fractions are represent is in the form of a upon b, where a and b are whole numbers and the number b is not a zero. Can we write b is 0? B means if the denominator is 0, then fraction will not write because the total number of parts are never be 0. In this example, A is the numerator and B is the denominator. Okay, now we will see like and unlike fractions. Here, like fractions. Read this one.
Say
Read this.
1
Yes.
upon 4.
Okay, 1 upon 4. So here, which one is numerator and which one is denominator?
Numerator is 1 and denominator is 4.
Very good. This in the second fraction,
2 upon 4.
2 upon 4. And in the last one,
3 upon 4.
okay. Can you observe one thing?
Yes, same denominators.
Same denominator. So if the fraction having same denominator, then it will called as, or it will known as like fractions. Now see the unlike fractions. So how do we
1 upon 2.
yes, 1 upon 2 and the second one?
2 upon 3.
Very good. And third one?
3 upon 4.
So here we will observe that
Denominators.
different denominators. So if we are having same denominator, then it will be like or unlike fraction.
Like fraction.
Okay, and with different denominators,
Unlike fraction.
unlike fraction. So can you recognize the like and unlike fraction?
Yes.
Very
Yes.
good. Okay, now conversion of like fraction into conversion of unlike fraction into like fractions. If we have to convert unlike fraction into like fraction, then what we have to do? Now we will be see here 3 upon 4 and 5 upon 3. These are like fractions or unlike fractions?
First one is like fraction.
Why?
There is 3 upon 4.
No. See here, like and unlike fractions means we have to observe both fractions. If the denominator are same, then it will be like fractions. But here, the first denominator is 4 and second one is 3. So these are unlike fraction. We have to convert it into like fractions. So what we have to do? We will cross multiply it. Okay. See here what we have to do. Upon 3 multiplied by 3 and 4 multiplied by 3, then 5 multiplied by 4 and 3 multiplied by 4. So see here what we have to do. We will multiply both denominator and numerator by the denominator of second fraction. Okay, see here, this is the denominator of second fraction, and we have to multiply 3 by 3 and 3 4 multiplied by 3. Okay, see, so we will get the 3
3
3s
3
are 9.
9
Very good. And 4 3s are
12
okay. Now 5 4s are
20
20 and 3 4s are
12.
okay. Now we will see that we are having the same denominator. See here, here is also 12. This one is also 12, and this, so it will become like fractions. Yes. So
Yes, sir.
okay. Now again we will observe that, or we will see that how to convert unlike fraction into like fraction. So if we have to convert 3 upon 4 and 5 upon 3 into like fraction, then we will cross multiply the fractions by the opposite denominator. So see here, we are multiplying 3 and 4 by 3, this number, and then the second fraction is multiplied by the denominator of first fraction. See, 5 multiplied by 4 and 3 multiplied by 4. So we will get 9 upon 12 and 20 upon 12. That is a like fraction. Okay, now this is for you. You have to convert this fraction into like fraction. So what do we have to do?
Multiply.
Okay, multiplied by which number?
4 multiply 4,
4 multiplied by 4 or 7.
7.
Okay, and 5 multiplied by
7.
okay. Now 6 is multiplied by,
4.
we have to multiply the second fraction by denominator of the first one.
5.
5. And 7 is multiplied by
5.
5. Okay. Now 4 into 7 is
27. 28.
28. Very good. And 5 into 7 is
35.
35. 6 into 5 is
60. 30.
30. And 7 into 5 is 35. So is it a like fraction?
Yes.
Okay. So you understand this, how to convert the like fraction into unlike fraction into like fraction?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, good. Okay, now we will see how to compare the fraction with equal denominator. So see here, the question is given which fraction is the greater or which one is the bigger. So can you guess which one is the greater or bigger? 3 upon 8, 5 upon 8 or 7 upon 8? Which one is the bigger? 7 upon 8. Why? Why it is great?
There is numerator 7 and denominator 8.
8. Okay, so these are like fraction or unlike fraction?
Like fraction.
Okay, all of these are like fractions. So here the total number of parts in the first one is 3. Okay, see here explanation is given. If we draw boxes according to our fraction, then we will get 3 upon 8 is, see here the total number of parts is colored is are 3. In the second one it is 5, and in the last one it is 7. So which one is bigger? 7 upon 8. Okay, very good. Now see which fraction is bigger.
4 upon 6.
4 upon 6, because in like fraction, when we are having numerator is bigger, then that fraction is bigger. In like fraction, if the numerator is great, then it will be greater, or numerator is small, then it will be smaller. So 4 upon 6 is the right one. Okay, comparison of fraction having different denominator but same numerator. These are like fraction or unlike fraction?
Unlike fraction.
Unlike fraction, because we are having the denominators are with different numbers. So 4 upon 10, 4 upon 8, or 4 upon 6. So which one is the smaller?
4 upon 6.
4 upon
6.
6. Why it is small?
Because the denominator is smaller. And
Denominator. Okay, we will see that. Okay, I am drawing here boxes. Okay. In the first one, total number of parts are 10. In the second one, it is 8. And the last one, it will be 6. So we have to color 4 parts. So which one is bigger? This is 4 upon 10. This is 4 upon 8. And the last one is 4 upon 6. So which one is the smaller?
4 upon 6.
4 upon 6. See the diagrams, or the 4 upon 10 is small, or 4 upon 6 is small.
4 upon 10.
4 upon 10. Okay, good. 4 upon 10 is small. 4 upon 10 is small. See here, the point is given. If numerator are equal, then the fraction which is having greater denominator is smaller. So we have to note that if the numerator are equal, then the fraction a fraction which is having greater denominator is smaller. So here 4 upon 10 is smaller fraction. Okay, now we have to compare this unlike fractions. 4 upon 5 or 4 upon 7. Which sign we have to put? See, this is greater than, sorry, smaller than, greater than, or equal. We have to put which sign? First, second, or third? 4 upon 5 is smaller than, greater than, or equal to 4 upon 7. Yes, student?
Greater than.
4 upon 5 is greater than 4 upon 7, because we,
Yes, sir.
yes, because see here, we will see that if numerator are equal, then fraction which is having greater denominator is smaller. By this rule, 4 upon 5 is greater than 4 upon 7.
Yes.
See here, the explanation is given. In the first one, 4 parts are colored, and the last one, 4 parts are colored. But the smaller one is 4 upon 7. So we will put 4 upon 5 is greater than 4 upon 7. Okay, now tell me 2 upon 3 is greater than, smaller than, or equal to 3 upon 4. Compare these two. 2 upon 3 is smaller than, greater than, or equal to 3 upon 4. Observe these two diagrams and tell me the answer.
3 upon 4.
Which sign? Yes. 3 upon 4 is smaller, greater, or equal to 2 upon 3. We have to put these
Greater.
signs.
Greater.
3 upon 4 is greater than.
2
Yes.
upon 3.
By observing this. Yes. Very good. Okay, now we will see how to add like fractions. When adding like fractions, we add the numerator of the two fractions and write denominator as it is. So in like fraction, we have to add numerator only, and the denominator is same it is. So see here, the given one is plus 4 upon 9 plus 1 upon 9. So answer is, we will write denominator is as it is, then 2 plus 4 plus 1. So what is the answer? 2 plus 4 is, yes,
6,
6 plus 1,
7,
7. So our answer is 7 upon 9. So we have to add numerator part only, and denominator is as it is. So here the answer is 7 upon 9. See here. Now subtraction of like fractions. When subtracting a fraction from another like fraction, we write the difference between numerator in the numerator and common denominator in the denominator part. So in subtraction, we have to do it in numerator part only, and the denominator will be as it is. So here 6 upon 13 minus 3 upon 13. So what will be answer? Can anyone tell me? Yes. Yes, children.
yes, sir.
What we have to do?
We have to write down 13 down.
Yes. And
And
in
6
the
plus 3.
6 plus, this is subtraction. So we will write 6 minus
6 minus 3.
3. Okay, now 6 minus 3 is,
3.
so our answer is 3 upon 13. Good. See here. Answer is given 6 minus 13. Sorry, 6 upon 13 minus 3 upon 13 is 6 minus 3 upon 13, that is 3 upon 13. Okay, this one for you. 8 upon 10 minus 5 upon 10. Do the subtraction. Solve the
Sir,
first one.
first one is 8 upon 10.
8 upon 10 minus 5 upon 10. Then the answer is 8 upon 10 minus 5 upon
3
10.
upon,
Here,
3
these are
upon
like fraction or unlike fraction?
like fraction.
Like fraction. So in like fraction, we will do the addition or subtraction in numerator part only, and denominator will be as it is. So here the answer is 3 upon 10. Now we will do the second one. 14 minus
14 upon,
25. Sorry, 14 upon 25 minus 9 upon 25. So what will be the answer?
we have to minus 14 up minus 25 for 9 minus 25.
We have to do subtraction in numerator part, that is 14 minus 9, and denominator will be as it is. So 14 minus 9 is, yes, 14 minus 9 is 5 upon 25. Is it right?
Yes.
Now we will see addition and subtraction of unlike fractions. So unlike fractions are those whose denominator are different. So 2 upon 7 plus 1 upon 3. How to add these?
We have to minus 3 up plus
No. First
1
of all,
upon
we have to convert. See, first of all, we have to convert this fraction into like fractions. These are unlike fractions. So 2 upon 7 and 1 upon 3. So 2 upon 7 and 1 upon 3. So 2 upon 7 and 1 upon 3, so that is 2 multiplied by 3, and 7 multiplied by 3. And second number is 1 multiplied by 7, 3
7.
multiplied by 7. So 2 into 3 is
2 3 is 6.
6. Very good. And 7 multiplied by 3 is
21.
21. 1 multiplied by 7 is
7.
3 multiplied by 7, 21. So see here, these are like fractions now. 6 upon 21 and 7 upon 21. Now we have to add them.
Add them.
So 6 upon 21 plus 7 upon 21. That is 6 plus 7 is 13. So our answer is 13 upon 21. So in unlike fraction, we have to convert them into like fraction and then do the addition. So our answer is 13 upon 21.
21.
See here, illustration is given 2 upon 7 and plus 1 upon 3. They will cross multiply it. So easily we have to multiply the first numerator by second denominator and the second numerator by first denominator. We will get that 3 multiplied by 2 plus 7 multiplied by 1 upon 7 multiplied by 3. That is 6 plus 7 divided by
13
21. So the answer is
upon
13.
21.
upon 21.
Okay, so the first step is making same denominator, that the convert the unlike fraction into like fraction. Now subtract these. Can you subtract it? 4 upon 6 minus 3.
First, we make
Okay,
them same
denominator. Yes, very good. So it is 4 upon 6 minus 3 upon
multiply
very
3.
good. So here it is 6 by 5 and we will write it in bracket as 4 multiplied by 5 minus 3 multiplied by 6.
6.
So 4 multiplied by 5 is 4 into 5 is, yes,
25.
25.
20.
20, and 3 into 6 is 5, 3 6 ja, yes, 3 6 ja,
18. 18.
18. Now 6 5 ja,
30.
30.
30. Very good. Now 20 minus 18 is 20 minus 8, 2. 2. 2 upon 30. So the answer is 2 upon
2
30.
upon 13.
See, there is 2 upon
2 upon
30.
13.
But if we divide both by, okay, so we will get 1 upon 15. Illustration is given 4 upon 6 minus 3 upon 5. That is 4 multiplied by 5 minus 6 multiplied by 3 and 6 upon 6 multiplied by 5 by making denominator equal. So 20 minus 18 divided by 30, that is 2 upon 30. So we will convert 2 upon 30 into reduced form, that is 1 upon 15.
15.
Okay, subtract this one.
First, we have to make same denominator.
Same denominator. Okay, because these are unlike fractions. So this is 7 multiplied by 5. 6 multiplied by 5 minus 4 multiplied by 7. So 6 5 are 6 5 are
30. 30.
30 and 4 7 are
20.
yes,
20.
28. Now 3 into 7 into 5. 7 5 is
35.
31.
35. So what will be the answer?
30.
Yes,
30 divide 30 multiply 28, 2 upon
2
35.
upon 35.
2 upon 35. So the answer is 2 upon
35.
35. Okay, good. So see here how to find out the fraction of a given number. So if the given is 1/4 of group of 20 dots, that is 1 upon 4. So we have to easily multiply the 20 by 1 upon 4. So we will get 20 upon 4, that is 5. Now half of a group of 20 dots. See here, observe this only. Half of a, because 1 upon 2 is called as half. So half of a group of 20 dots. So what is the half of 20 dots? Yes, what is the half of 20?
3 upon 4.
3 upon 4.
See, see here, if we are having 20 chocolates, then what is the half of 20 chocolates?
10.
Yes, what is the half of 20?
4.
That is 10.
10.
Okay, now 3 upon 4 of a group of 20 dots. So to find out the 3 upon 4 of group of 20 dots, easily we have to multiply 20 by 3 by 4. So we will get 16 upon 4,
16
that is
upon 4.
15. Now half of 10. See here, this is, if we multiply 10 by 1 upon 2, then we will be get, yes, see here,
5.
5. Yes. Now if we 1/3 of a 15 means 15 multiplied by 1 upon 3, then we will be get 5 only. Okay. We will see one example. You have to do it and tell me the answer. What we have to do in this?
We have to make same denominator.
So observe that here is, this is the like fraction and denominators are equal. So what we have to do? This is like fraction or unlike fractions?
Unlike
Unlike
fraction.
fractions.
Unlike fraction. Why? See there, all denominators are 40, 40, 40. So these are like fraction only.
Yes.
So easily we add the numerator part only. That is 12 plus 13 plus 14. So what is the answer? 12 plus 13 plus 14. Do the addition. 7, 9. 39 upon 40. So what is the answer?
39 upon 40.
39 upon 40. Good. Okay, see here. That is given. The alternative number is 1. Means the correct answer is first one. We have to put which sign? Greater than, smaller than, or equal to in the given boxes. So 4 upon 7 is smaller than, greater than, or equal to 4 upon 9.
Smaller than.
Smaller than.
No, that is incorrect. 4 upon 7 is greater than 4 upon 9. Okay, now 4 upon 9 is greater than, smaller than, or equal to 24 upon 54.
Small, bigger than 20, 55, 54.
Okay, first of all, you have to convert this fraction into reduced form. That is, we will divide both numerator and denominator by
54.
2. So we will get 12 upon
54.
54.
27. Again, we have to
27.
divide it by 3. Then we will get 4 upon 9.
9.
Okay. So means 24 upon 54 is equal to 4 upon 9. So this is 4 upon 9 only. 4 upon 9 is equal to, so we will put equal to sign here. Okay. So which option is right? The last one. The fourth one is very right. Okay.
Yes.
Now this is for your homework. Take a screenshot.
Yes, sir. I taken screenshot.
Okay. Thank you all of you. Have a good day.
Thank you, sir. Have a nice day. Stay home, stay safe.